Today we're doing a Thai cooking class and I literally could not be more excited. This is like the one thing that I like wanted to do. So far we've stopped at the local market and she's given us a little detail on like different spices and chilies and flavors and herbs, and honestly already I'm having such a great time. And then we're gonna go to a farm and we're gonna actually cook food and obviously eat it. So
I'm so excited.
Come along.
Smell.
Okay,
I know yak, but you have to
Anyone else? Yeah?
try.
No.
Yes, try. Not bad.
Not bad. No.
Yes.
Ugly.
In the middle.
and we are team blue, the first team. ของข้าวผัดเอาออกค่ะ เอาใส่ชิ้นเดียวพอ2นะคะ
We are officially ready for the garden. We got the basket and the hats.
In the farm, in the garden, you can smell and taste everything. Right? I'm gonna give you smell and taste and tell you how to use it. This flour, by this flour, we just squeeze them with water and mix with rice, mix with dessert, make it brew. Thai people use a lot when we have a newborn to draw the baby eyebrow and hair. Help baby have the black hair and eyebrow. If you wanna eat, make omelette with egg, make tea, deep fry, and eat it raw. But today we're gonna use it decoration.
Love is love. Love is love.
This one is a Thai thing. Turmeric fresh one, put in your curry paste. Smell strong, taste strong. We don't eat it raw. We cook it. We cook it. Turmeric. Eggplant in Thailand have many species. They have the tiny like this, the round eggplant. The purple one is over there. Skin in your curry paste. You can squeeze it. This is a kaffir lime fruit and the leaf I give you.
It's so hilarious. The life of a farmer. I feel like farmers might wear boots though, you know.
Spread it. Spread. Chef, keep stirring, stirring, stirring. Yeah. Cool. 1 minute cook. This mushroom, right? This is this and turn it back. Just keep stir like this until your vegetable cooks. Soy sauce, 2.5. All the glass noodle necessary.
All right.
And now keep stirring. 3, 4, 5. Yes. Spicy, little bit sour. We have in the dipping sauce. And salty and sweet. You want more salty or no more? We have in the dipping sauce. ขอจานใบใหญ่1ใบให้
Ready.
Rough side and the smooth side. The rough side's got to be up.
Egg white. Team Holly, team.
So this sauce had fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and sugar for the fried rice.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Hot time, scramble. Nice, shake it. Your rice, fried rice, shake it. Okay.
Oh no! I will come back from this.
Yes, Shannon. Sauce, fried rice now. Put the rice in. Yeah. And change your rice, change the colors, please.
It's like a sand castle.
Let's see it. Woo! Rock on, baby. Did it with the pad thai. Hold it up. I had to. Woo! I topped it with some peanut and some chili. Chloe, how'd yours go?
Amazing. Best pad thai I've ever made.
We're good.
All right, let's go for it. Ooh! Okay, that's fire. Good to go. And I think it's delicious.
Yeah, I killed it, huh? Okay, actually,
Yeah, I make some damn good pad
that
thai.
is like really, really, really fantastic.
I know, I'm so. Okay, I gotta try.
I must say, I did good. Oh, that's yummy. That's perfect. The texture.
Do the lime on there.
Next on the agenda is curry. Yeah. I'm making penne. Jill is making green curry.
So everyone in front of you here is a basic of this today. Don't make like this, huh? Don't make like this. Your eyes. Protect your eyes.
These are baby eggplant.
Brand อร่อยดี I had this brand. Chicken or tofu right now. Maximum. And some water. Some of water. Okay.
Bubble.
Water. Okay, Roy, you can. Yeah.
Okay.
Apple. Chicken, coconut milk. Fire!
Fire! This is vegetable stock and tom yum soup paste.
Glass ginger and kaffir lime leaf in.
Yeah.
Glass. Vegetable in all the veggies. Fish sauce. Minimum.
We have to be honest, Carmen and I struggled a bit at the penne curry. It was a little,
My green is
a little,
It's a dessert
Yeah.
curry.
yeah,
sweet. Can I try it?
Sweet as fuck.
Fresh.
yeah. It's very herby.
You want to try that one? Oh, what soup did you do?
Number 4.